It is definitely a staple of Irish cuisine for a reason. We're having bacon and cabbage for breakfast this morning.
And I hate this 9:30 waiting for me dinner. I was eating my breakfast earlier. Chef Dean Diplock is here from the Breffni House Resort. Good morning to you, Dean.
Morning,
How are
guys.
you?
Very good, thanks. Very good, thanks.
Very excited about this.
You can smell it from behind, yeah?
Would you do this on a Sunday? Would you do a little carvery on a Sunday? Or
Well,
would you
no, we would do plated.
Oh, you would, but you would have the bacon and cabbage.
We have specials every day, so it varies all the time. We can do all sorts of different things, but bacon and cabbage is one of those classics that everybody likes.
Beautiful.
So, to start with, I have some spices, aromatics as such, just some pepper, clove, and some bay leaf that I've put into some water, and half an onion, white onion, just chopped up. Right. Simmer this.
Only
for
half
about
an
35. Yeah, you don't need more than that. It's
now,
just
can
for
I
flavour.
ask you, is that just like a bacon loin?
This is literally a bacon loin. You can use a collar, whichever part you prefer. You would cook approximately 20 minutes per pound.
Yeah.
So it really depends. The safest thing to do and the easiest thing to do is get yourself a probe and probe your meat.
Okay.
Bring it to 69 degrees Celsius, all right, from cooking in the water. Then let it steam cool, and then we're going to glaze it, and then it goes in the oven and continues cooking.
Can I ask you 1 second first? See, when you put it in at the start, do you start off with cold water or hot water?
I would start with cold water. It tends to otherwise cook the outside too fast.
Okay.
So cold water.
And cover it, completely covered?
Yeah, completely.
And a lid on top.
And do try and top it up because it does evaporate over time. Just depends on how big a piece you've got.
You just put some clove or some bay leaves and onions in it.
Bay leaves, onions, cloves and peppercorn.
Okay.
I've got some Breffni honey over that. That's just to help the sugar stick.
Okay. What do you mean Breffni honey?
Homemade Breffni honey.
You do your own?
We do our own honey.
Oh, wow.
Can you believe?
That's
right, so that goes
this
on.
is brown sugar.
Just a little brown sugar. That's going to help caramelize it. And that's going to go in the oven. I'm just going to move that quickly.
Would you ever do that? Brown sugar over it like that?
I did this for Christmas and I went and put bloody
like
sweet
a
chilli
gammon
sauce
pan.
on it.
No, yeah, you ruined your ham at Christmas.
That was Edward Hayden's fault. No, I've never forgiven him.
Poor Edward.
Okay, the accompaniments that go with it, I'm going to do some, not mashed potatoes, but bashed potatoes, shall we call them, right?
Okay.
So we're just going to take a nice hot pan, some butter, in that goes.
Can I ask you, like, if when you're in there and you're the executive chef and you're looking at, is butter one of the real ingredients in a kitchen where butter goes into everything?
Absolutely. And especially French cooking. Butter with everything. Everything tastes better with butter. I mean, that's the reality.
Doesn't it?
Okay, so I've got some steamed potatoes. Nice and soft.
So you peel them. Sometimes I do this and I leave the skin on.
Oh, absolutely, if you wish, yeah. Especially the nice thin skins.
Yeah,
They're lovely. Bit of seasoning there.
Okay.
Right, and then we pop the lid back onto it again. Oops, sorry, not that lid. Don't really need it right now.
Gone.
And we're literally going to just bash it around. You can see that. So that's going to cover it with that butter and parsley. Okay, that's going to stay warm. This one here in the middle.
If you had the lid, I presume you were just going to do this, smash
You could
it around.
shake it, but do be careful. It can splash out onto you. All right.
Cool.
So I've just got a sieve, a cooking sieve here. I've prepared some nice young spring cabbage. These ones, I love them. Or the.
Do they come in that shape?
Yeah, that's a little spring cabbage, the first of the season. I've just blanched it off, and I'm going to reheat it in the flavoured liquor, as they're called.
Right.
So you get a little bit of a cabbagey taste to it. And then I'm going to go back into some more butter.
So this is the thing about cabbage, because it can be quite tasteless. So when you boil it, if you then put it in the pan
Correct.
with a little bit of butter.
A bit of flavour to it. So I'm just going to pop a little in here, like so. Okay. And we're going to heat that up.
That in for?
So it's already blanched.
It's already blanched. It's already cooked. Even if you wanted to cook it, you could just a few minutes, really. All I want to do is just
get the flavour in it.
Yeah, revitalize it. And then in that goes. All right, now comes the interesting bit. So we've got a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to worry about salt because there's already salt in here.
Oh, right, yeah.
Just a squeeze of lemon, just a little bit of lemon, okay? And then some nutmeg.
Right?
Yes.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
See, I'd never have nutmeg at home.
Oh, get yourself some. That's just a little piece, a little grater, and off we go. So That's going to warm up.
We have a jar of nutmeg from something I made probably about 10 Christmases ago.
Well, I wouldn't
And
be
it's
using
still there.
that then,
Ah,
Tommy.
there'll still be a bit of flavour in there.
I think we
Don't know how much
might
there will be
throw
in
that
there.
one out.
Very good. Now,
It is nutmeg.
parsley sauce is the classic that goes with it.
Yeah.
All right. I have
Now, did you make your own?
instant packet.
Really perfect. I
Easier.
love that now.
Easier.
'Cause
Much
it's-
easier.
Oh, but you're adding loads
That's
of...
cheating.
I'm just putting a little. Why? You want to make it? Go for it.
Fair
Just
enough.
makes your lives easier.
Yeah.
It's like, who still cooks rice? No, you
boil
buy it in a
rice.
packet. It's ready to go. You just heat it up and off you
No,
go.
you boil it properly.
No. Look at this
Come
lovely.
on,
I
man.
love the way you...
We at
you're
home
doing
now.
your cabbage.
Yeah, there we go. That's ready to go. Now,
I can't wait to see this.
potatoes are ready. Parsley sauce is ready. I'm just going to put a little bit more parsley and then just a little of the cooking liquor. That's going to give us a little more flavour to it. Oh, wow. And that's ready to go. And now we can plate.
Let's add it all up, right?
I
Here's
need to
the...
bring,
Let's...
Yes,
Yes,
the
the resistance.
as they say. Right.
So how long would you put this in for?
Just until it's glazed.
Look at that.
Like that.
Lads.
Nicely glazed. There we go.
And he's been making me wait all morning. I've been
Yeah, he
wanting
wouldn't
to
even give him a
this.
slice earlier on. He said no. And Tommy's going, can I not even have a
Camera.
little slice?
Wow, it looks class, doesn't it?
Now, we would have probed this to at least 74 degrees or so.
74,
But it is
We just move that out of the way there for a second.
it
go,
is
look at
a
that.
salted meat, so it's perfectly safe at that temperature.
Beautiful.
There we go. And then I'm going
there I
to...
could have eaten.
add
I'll
all
have
these-
that.
all
you want
these
this
other
piece?
bits and pieces.
Well,
Can I
I'll
get the
wait.
tongs from you quickly?
And of course.
Thank you very much. You're going to tuck into it now.
He's going to tuck
He
into
can't
it
even
now.
wait.
He can't even wait.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
the cabbage.
There's your cabbage. Lovely flavour to it. Our potatoes, which again I would have used a spoon, but
those,
unfortunately
yeah.
that's been removed from my grasp.
Sorry,
It's fine.
there we
No,
all
and
are
come here and I
again.
tell you,
Fear not.
would you...
Do you need anything else
No,
for
we're
this?
done.
Do you like this way of doing it rather than roast potato with this? Because it's...
Change it up. It's just, make it a little bit more interesting all the time. It doesn't have to be the same every single time. And no, everybody wants to have
Lads,
fried
look
flour.
at
You look at
that.
all the time.
Oh, my God.
This is a favourite.
I am in
your
my
gents to
element
try.
here. I am absolutely in my element.
very good.
So me and Tommy will just be quiet now for the next 10 minutes.
Try the cabbage and see what you think of
An
it.
Irish staple, isn't it? I mean, listen, it
Absolutely.
goes back so long.
It is winter food, it's summer food, it's Sunday lunch food. I went into the pub the other day and I had a fantastic one. I thought, I'll probably do that on TV as well.
I see the sides of it. How did you get the sides? Did you rub those with honey?
No, well, it will
Or just
naturally
creams down, does it?
just go down itself, yeah. I do bake it at about 200 degrees Celsius with the grill on top as well, so that it caramelizes it and heats it all the way through and finishes it
Dean,
off.
it's absolutely gorgeous.
Beautiful.
Oh, it really is. That's why it's a classic. Thank you so much.